In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant page access in Meta Business Suite. If you're responsible for managing a business presence on Facebook and Instagram, you'll occasionally need to add people to help. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few pointers so you can do this confidently and securely. First, open Meta Business Suite. Once you're in your business workspace, look for Settings. It usually appears in the lower left corner of the sidebar. Click that to open your business settings panel. Next, choose Profiles. This section houses the assets tied to your business, including pages. If you don't immediately see it, expand the menu or scroll. Sometimes it's nested a little lower depending on your screen size. Select your page. If you manage more than one, double-check you're picking the correct page before you continue. The page you highlight here is the one you'll grant access to. Now, go to Page Access. This is the control center for who can work on the page and what they're allowed to do. It's worth pausing here for a moment to think about the level of responsibility the person will need. Click Add New to start the invite flow. You'll see a brief overview of what granting access means. When you're ready, click. Next to proceed, use the search box to find the person by name. Type carefully and make sure you select the correct profile. Look for their profile picture and any recognizable details to avoid adding the wrong person. When you spot the right profile, click it to select. You'll now choose the access level. Turn on full control only if the person truly needs complete management abilities, such as changing settings, assigning others, or removing people. If they only need to create posts, respond to messages, or view insights, leave full control off and keep their access limited. A good rule is to grant the least access required to do the job. When your selection looks right, click Give Access. You'll be asked to confirm your decision for security. Enter your password to authorize the change. Keep this information private and make sure you're on a trusted device and network when you confirm. That's the process from start to finish. By following these steps carefully, you keep your page secure while empowering the right people to help manage your presence. If something doesn't look as expected, check that you're in the correct business and that you have permission to manage page access.